A two-day annual group meet on Rabi Mulab crops under All India Coordinated Research Project on Mulab kicked off at the auditorium of College of Agriculture, KAU, Imphal today. Many delegates and experts from across the country joined the annual group meet. A public meeting was held today at Kumbi Market over the brutal killing of K.H. Achau Maitei of Setupur, Kumbi on August 6 last. During the meeting, the residents decided to ostracize every person involved in the heinous crime along with their family members from Kumbi area for the rest of their lives. A mini exhibition cum Poshan Mela was held today at Kiamba Ningsing Sanglen, Vishnupur as a part of the ongoing Pradhan Mantri Comprehensive Scheme for Holistic Nourishment under Rashtriya Poshan Ma. The mini exhibition was concentrated on giving awareness to masses on low-cost nutrition diets. A state-level workshop on digital payment awareness program was jointly conducted by National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology, NAILIT, Imphal, CSC Department of Information Technology, Government of Manipur and State Bank of India, Imphal branch at the auditorium of NAILIT today. Manipuri film actor Sorok Haibam Niki today inaugurated Sleepwell Gallery, a brand new showroom of India's leading mattress brand, Sleepwell, at Moirangkhong, Imphal. Nambol Apunba Mairapai Biluv and Development and Protection United Voluntary Organization burnt and destroyed around 1,000 litre of liquor seized from Nambol area at Nambol, Kaithel. The liquor was seized by the volunteers of the two organizations during drives. A one-day media sensitization program on preconception and prenatal diagnostic technique was conducted at the conference hall of Family Welfare Department today. Director of Family Welfare R.K. Rajo said that the program was organized to give awareness on ultrasound clinics to the people of Manipur.